Today we're on a York JCB863, which is as new in a box, and I suspect it is new because no one's ever been in that, because all the internal adjustments were just as they would have left the factory in 1981. So Cybernet 134 upper tier chassis, York 863, and this one isn't for trucking and farming. A little blemish on the top. We're going to run with our standard replacement mic, and then at the end we will take the factory original, which looks identical, out of its bag, and where I put it looks the same, but there can be a difference, and you can usually tell because they're going to say Japan on the back just there. Right, we'll see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. Make sure this plethora of knobs are in the right position. It was a bit off frequency, and this is the trouble when with old sets they're going to be, and luckily it was able to be trimmed up, but it would have sounded awful that far out, but not being illegally out. Tango 21 test. Oh, not on the right channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go then.
Roger.
Passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. We've got a tone control on this one.
Roger that, so passing the passing place.
Low,
and doggy
medium,
daycare.
high.
Seems to be some work going on here. There's a low load. I don't know whether if it's farm related or to do with doggy daycare.
Roger on that. This is a radio that's got clear and normal. I'll flick it while we're talking. That's in clear position 1, 2, 3, and that's in normal over.
Yeah, it works, and it just makes it tinny as you're aware.
Roger.
Daycare. Seems to be some work going on here. There's a low load. I don't know whether if it's farm related or to do with doggy daycare. Service station 145.9 and 169.9.
Roger on that. The end of the lane got obliterated.
Did I forget? Yeah, I forgot. Right, we're square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, you're going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a York.
York JCB863 from 1981. Cybernet 134, I've got TS chassis, and these are 441 output. I'm on the side of the route based at Mike, over.
Yep, roger that. All received. No problems.
Roger.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, you're going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Gravely turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this York JCB863, so doing full 4 watts, it's going 1.2 amps. We're going to go to low power, it's set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. About 30 milliamps, 400 milliwatts. Then go back to full power. We're just going to do that clear normal thing again. It's got this stupid clear normal switch. That's in the clear position. Go back to normal. That's in the normal position, over.
Yeah, roger that. No problem on full power. It did cut out a little bit on low power, and I didn't quite hear you say how many milliwatts it was doing on that.
It's 400 milliwatts, over.
Right, must be the interference. I can hear there's a little bit of data in the background, so that must be what's making it bad.
We're going to start with leaves on trees, aren't we, soon? There'll be no low power working at all before too long.
Yeah, that's true. It's starting to happen now, I can see.
Roger, off you go when you're ready.
Yeah, roger that. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, going over Rossby Level.
Yeah, 140.9 and 165.7, and that's why they're queuing, because that makes it one of the cheapest round here now.
There we go. Oh, well, which is great. Thanks very much.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. And what's the petrol price at that end today, please, over?
Yeah, 140.9 and 165.7, and that's why the queuing, because that makes it one of the cheapest round here now.
There we go. Right, well, that was a treat. Thanks very much, and 10-10.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
Right, well, as expected, that worked very well. We'll go over to our base station, which uses exactly the same innards, Cybernet 134, and see what it sounds like. I'll also put that factory original mic on for comparison.
Tango 21 testing the York JCB863 with our standard mic into the Midland 76900 base station, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably on low power. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the full power. Do that silly clear normal thing. There's the clear button. There's the normal button. And I'll see if I can spot where his new mic is. What I mean by that is his factory original. And now on the factory original mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to low power, there we're on low power. It's a hum test. If there was a hum, it would diminish on low power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go to clear and normal.